Good day, everyone. Yeah, welcome to today's class. In today's class, I want to solve some of these problems. So let us discuss these questions and find lasting solution to the problems. You have find the magnitude and direction of the vectors. We have 6 questions here. So let's see how to analyze this one. You're going to find the magnitude and direction of each vector. Now look at this one. For number one, you have this. What is the magnitude here? If you check the magnitudes, these are vectors traveling along a straight line. So the magnitude here is going to be 3 plus what? 6. So the magnitude here is going to be 3 plus what? 6, and that is what? 9 Newton. That is the magnitude here. And what is the direction? As you can see, the direction is towards what? Right. That is the direction. Now look at this one. How do we solve this particular one? The magnitude here, that is the resultant force, is going to be 2 plus what? 5. So the resultant force is going to be 2 plus 5, and that is what? 7 Newton. So that is the magnitude of the vector here. What is the direction? As you can see, the vector is moving towards the left-hand side. So the direction is towards what? Left. What about this one? How do we get this one? The magnitude here is going to be, the magnitude of the vector is going to be 8 minus what? 5. That is 8 minus 5. And that is what? 3 Newton. So the magnitude of the force is, the vector is what? 3 Newton. What of the direction? This one is greater than this. So the direction is towards your right-hand side. So the direction is towards what? Right. That is the direction. Look at this one. We are going to, the magnitude of the vector here is going to be 12 minus what? 12 minus what? 4. And that is what? 8 Newton. That is the magnitude of the vector here. So what is the direction? The direction is towards what? Left. Some can also solve this problem as 4 minus 12 in absolute value. That will give us, that's going to give us minus 8. Okay? Which is also 8 Newton. So this minus 8, we don't have magnitude of minus 8. Minus 8 Newton, we don't have, magnitude is always expressed in positive, it's a positive value. So since we have a negative, this negative here does not mean that the magnitude is negative. What it means is that the direction is towards what? Left. That is what this minus indicates. Or you can simply solve it in this form. Now let us see this one, the last one here. Let's discuss this one here. You're going to have the net force here is going to be 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is going to give you what? 16. So you have the net force here. The net force here is going to be this plus this is 16. 16 minus what? 11. That is minus 11. And that is going to give you 5 Newton. You see, this plus this is 16. 16 is greater than what? This 11. So that means the direction is towards what? Right. Here, the direction is towards right. So let us discuss the last one. I have a vector of this nature. This plus this is what? That's going to give you what? You have 10. So you have this vector as what? This plus this is 10. And you also have 6 Newton here. You have 10, this plus this 10, this one is this one. Okay, so how do we get the magnitude? The magnitude is going to be, that is the resultant force is going to be what? You're going to have 10 minus what? 6, which is 4 Newton. That's the magnitude. Some can also solve it in this form. You can say 6 minus 10 in absolute, and that's going to give you minus 4. Minus 4, which is also 4 Newton. This minus here means that the direction is towards what? Left. So it doesn't mean that the magnitude is minus 4. What it entails is that the direction is towards the left-hand side. So this is the magnitude of this vector here. What of the direction? The direction is towards what? Left. So these are the solution to these problems. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Easy Physics with Vincent. Follow me on my Facebook page at Easy Physics with Vincent. Thank you.